Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making a cake, specifically a lemon yogurt cake, which is really simple. Very yeah, anyone could make this. You don't need any special equipment, don't need a big $2,000 mix master or anything like that. Just basic kitchen tools. Yep, like I say, nothing much required. Let's get on with it. Now, what I have got is 2 bowls, and I'm just going to separate firstly the dry ingredients from the wet ingredients. I'll start with the dry ingredients. I just got here 2 cups of plain flour, which I'm going to sift into my bowl, along with 2 teaspoons of baking powder and about half a teaspoon of salt. Easy peasy. And to that, I'm just going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. I'll just combine them a little bit with my dry whisk. Alright, set that aside for a sec. Get our second bowl into action. Alright, now I've got here 2 of these little containers of Greek yogurt, natural yogurt, naturally in a yogurt cake. So these are both 170 degrees. I'm just going to use both of them. One. Two. Now here, I've got the zest of 2 lemons, along with the juice of 1 of those lemons. And I've grated that zest. So it's quite finely grated with a microplane sort of grater, and it goes. I've got 3/4 of a cup of just vegetable oil. Any neutral flavoured oil will do for that. I've just got a couple of eggs. Give all that a bit of a whisk up as well. Right, get our dry ingredients back. Just dump that wet stuff into there. And easy peasy, mix her up. I mean, you could use a mixer for this if you wanted to, but there's no point. It doesn't have to be combined to a minute of its life. As long as it's reasonably mixed up, that's all you need. Alrighty guys, so I've got my cake mix all mixed up here. As you can see, I've just got a spring-loaded round cake tin. I've greased up the side of that with some baking paper and just lined the bottom, with some butter, and just lined the bottom with some baking paper. Yeah, we'll just get our batter in there. Cake mix. Smooth it out a little. Alright, now I've just got my oven heating there, preheating to 160 degrees Celsius. And as soon as that comes up the heat, I'm going to pop it in. Alrighty guys, so as you saw, I've pulled that cake out of the oven. I've allowed it to cool for a while, and then I've just simply dusted it with some pure icing sugar, and yeah, just keep it simple, I thought. So let's have a look at it. Really happy with it. As you can see, it's quite a sort of dense sort of cake. It's very moist. That's by design, obviously, with those ingredients. I mean, nothing to do but taste it. Yum. I really like that. As longer term viewers of my channel know, I'm not really much of a cake person, but that's one I really like. I love the tang of that lemon. It does need that sugar to balance it. It's really yummy. That's all I can say. So thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. Really appreciate that, you guys. That's awesome. Look, if you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask you hit that subscription button? That'd be great. And if you do subscribe, also hit that little, it's like a little bell. It's a notification icon. All that does is it tells you when I upload a new video. There's no obligation, there's no charges, nothing like that. Yeah, it just helps out my channel. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.